Ninja interior. So this is how we installed our curtains with board in Ogun State. So we shared all the curtain and the board to their windows. We made the curtains and the board in Lagos then. So now we are drilling where we will fix the bracket to the wall. So we marked the points that the bracket will be. So we'll go ahead and use our drilling machine to drill it. So we fixed one already. So we're trying to fix the second bracket. You ensure that the pole is not shooting out too much because you're using board. So you mark where you will drill. So we've drilled and we are tightening the bracket now. So we have two brackets that will hold the pole. So now this is us tightening what we hold the board to the screw we put on the wall. So this is what holds the board to the screw that will be on the wall. So it's time to mark where we will drill the screw that will hold the board, where it will be. So you can see that stuff that we were tightening then. We'll mark inside it. So that's where we will drill and put a screw that will hold the board. So we are drilling that place. We'll drill the right hand side. So we're going to drill the left hand side. So you see the mark there. We just marked it. So we are drilling the other side. So you can see we've already put a screw there. That's what will hang the board. So now we have installed the day blind, like we've put the day blind in the brackets there. We are putting the curtain now. Ninja interiors. So you install the curtain, you put the curtain. You bring out one of the, like let's say, ring of the curtain because it's board, so that there will be no too much space between the curtain and the board. That's the reason behind it. So it stays there. So now it's time to put the board. So raise the board. You can see how beautiful the board is. We also made it. So you put it in that screw. There is a screw. Remember, there is a screw there that we tightened. Then the other side too, there is a screw. So those are the two screws that hold the board. So that's how to install curtain with board. Then you go ahead to pack the curtain to beautify it. So this is the final outcome after our installation. You can see how beautiful it is, but there was no light to give me a better video. Like, there was no light. All thanks to Nigerian government. But at the end of the day, everything came out nice. Thank you for believing in Ninja Interiors. God bless you all. Thanks to everyone that has been referring us, the ones giving us project directly. We appreciate. This is what we know how to do best. We are available